In this video, I'll show you how to connect a domain to Webflow. Start by signing into your Webflow account and opening the project you want to publish. From the project dashboard, go to Project Settings and select the Hosting tab. Next, click Add Custom Domain and enter the domain name you want to connect. Webflow will display the DNS records you'll need to add at your domain registrar. Now log into your domain provider, such as GoDaddy, Namecheap, or Cloudflare. Open your domain's DNS settings and add the records provided by Webflow. Typically, this includes a records and a name record. After that, save your DNS changes and return to Webflow. In the Hosting tab, verify that your domain has been connected successfully. DNS updates can take some time, so you may need to wait before the connection becomes active. Once the domain is connected, set it as the default domain if desired. Then publish your website and select both the Webflow domain and your custom domain. Finally, visit your domain in a browser to confirm that your Webflow website is live. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to connect a domain to Webflow. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.